Here we go, y'all. Finally trying the birria tacos.
I need Susie.
I'm trying to one-hand this without spilling.
Sister's about to leave the living room?
She's in the living room?
Mm-hmm.
She's about to?
Oh, I don't know.
Can you call her and tell her if she's in her room or not?
You kicking her out?
Here we go. That's the dipping sauce. And there they go, y'all. There they go. World famous. Alright, y'all. Don't mind the rice and all that right there. Yo, and they piping hot too. See what's up. Mm-hmm. Yeah. I ain't gonna do the whole, I ain't gonna eat them all on here. But I did want y'all to witness my first experience with these. They bomb too. Yo. Them joints is A1. Oh. Now I finally found a spot. I put it on the lime on everything. But I found a spot, y'all. What's the name of the spot? No, if you don't remember, that's all right. Trying to give a Wolfpack a little, you know, a little heads up. Cause this is crazy. This is crazy.
Andreas.
Oh, Andreas Taqueria. Hopefully I'm saying that right. But that's if you're in the Boston area. If y'all in the Boston area, East Boston area, that's the spot, y'all. They on point. Let y'all see it one more time before I'm up out of here. About to hurt myself with these. All right, y'all, holla.